Welcome to part 2 of this week's Moodle Minute Student Activity Reports. In this Moodle Minute, we're going to take a look at reports for an individual assignment that will show you how each of your students performed on it in one report. To find these reports, you're going to scroll down in your course into your administration panel, and you're going to click on the reports link. Now, the first option you'll see there is logs, and don't get this confused with the logs we looked at under the student activity report. This is a log for all of the items in your course. So we're going to click on logs, and you're going to be brought to this screen here. From the drop down arrows, you can actually customize your report. And so here you're going to see, here's your course listed. And we want to see all participants. You could hit the down arrow and choose individual participants if you wanted. The next item is the date, so you can look at it for just today, or you can choose all days. And then you have all activities. So I'm going to hit the down arrow, and I'm going to choose a discussion forum. So let's come down here, and we're going to take a look at introductions. Now, the next action is dependent upon what type of activity you choose. And in this case, it's a discussion forum. So if I hit the down arrow, I can actually look. I want to see who added something to the discussion forum. And so I'm going to choose that, and then I'm going to hit Get These Logs. And then what you'll get is a list of all the activity on that particular assignment. Let's take a look now at a different assignment. Let's hit a down arrow, and I had a glossary in this particular course, and so I want to know who added information, and I'm going to hit Get These Logs, and it will do the same thing and show you. You can also download this information into a text file or an Excel spreadsheet if you wanted to. And so this is a good way to be able to look at exactly what a student did on a given assignment in your course. Next, we're going to go over and hit reports again, and this time we're going to take a look at live logs. Now, live logs are literally what has happened in the last hour in your course, and so it's just a quick snapshot of what's there and what's been happening. The next report is an activity report. And this is just a quick one screen where you can see how many people have viewed each of the items in your particular course here. And so it doesn't allow you to click on it and drill down and get more information. It just gives you an overview of how many folks have actually taken a look at something. The next thing is class participation. So if I click on that, I'm going to choose a module, and so I'm going to hit the down arrow, and I'm going to choose our Chapter 1 Terminology assignment. And I want to look back, let's say over the last week, and I only want to see students who posted to the assignment. And I can hit Go, and that will tell me did they post or not. Now you can also use this for a forum. So if I come down here to my analysis project forum, and I looked at the last week students who have posted, and I hit Go, it will then show me exactly how many posts that person has made and whether they have posted or not. If you wanted to, you could hit and select some of these, and you can actually send those students a message if you wanted to. So it's a quick way to be able to access those students if you needed to. The next report is dependent upon whether you have item completion turned on and being used in your course. If you click on activity completion, what it will do is it will show you exactly what each student has done in the course based on the activity completion. And once again, this particular screen is only available if you are using activity completion and you're actually setting the parameters on those. But for somebody who is using activity completion, this is a great screen for you to use. So this concludes working with activity reports. If you have any questions, as always, let us know.